The family room is the heart of your home. It is where everything happens: the laughter, the arguments, the movie nights, the quiet Sunday mornings. But right now, underneath the cushions, behind the furniture, inside the devices you touch every single day, something has been building: dust, bacteria, clutter, and a heaviness in the air that you have slowly stopped noticing. Today, we clear all of it, completely and naturally. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell, because your family deserves to live in a space that is genuinely clean, not just surface clean. Think about what your family room has absorbed over the past year. Every sick day spent on that sofa wrapped in a blanket. Every meal eaten in front of the television that left invisible traces in the fabric and the carpet. Every school bag dropped at the door. Every shoe worn on outdoor surfaces. Every pet that settled into their favorite corner of the couch. The family room carries more of your daily life than any other space in your home. It absorbs everything, the beautiful moments and the messy ones, without ever asking for attention in return. The spring clean, surface by surface, corner by corner. We begin at the ceiling, and we work downward, because gravity means that everything disturbed from above will settle on surfaces below, and cleaning from the bottom first means redoing work you have already completed. Look up. The ceiling corners, the light fixtures, the tops of curtain rails. These are where dust accumulates in the slow, patient way that makes it invisible until you deliberately look for it. Take a microfiber cloth wrapped around a broom head, or use an extendable duster, and work systematically across every ceiling corner and overhead surface. What comes down will surprise you. Years of accumulated particulate matter that has been circulating through the air your family breathes every single day. The hidden corners that define a true spring clean. Here is where a genuine spring clean separates itself from a surface tidy. The skirting boards that run along every wall, collecting dust on their upper edge in a continuous line around the entire room. The light switch plates that carry the invisible oils of thousands of touches. The picture frames and decorative items on shelves that have been gathering dust since they were last moved months or years ago. The area beneath every piece of furniture that has not been moved since the last time someone specifically cleaned beneath it. These are the details that determine whether a room is truly clean or simply presentable. And it is exactly these details that a spring clean must reach to justify its name. Wipe every baseboard with a damp cloth. Clean every light switch with a vinegar-dampened cloth. Remove every item from shelves. Wipe the shelves themselves. Wipe each item and replace them with intention. Move furniture and vacuum or mop underneath. Each individual task takes only minutes. Together, they transform a room at a level that surface cleaning never touches. The emotional payoff. There is a specific feeling that arrives when you finish spring cleaning a room completely, and it is distinct from the satisfaction of a regular tidy. It is a feeling of lightness, of space, as though the room itself is exhaling something it has been holding for a long time. The air feels different. The light seems cleaner. The familiar space you have occupied every day looks subtly but genuinely renewed, like a room you are seeing clearly for the first time in months. Your family will feel it too, even if they cannot articulate exactly what has changed. They will breathe differently in that space. They will settle into it differently, because the environment we inhabit continuously shapes how we feel within it. And a clean, genuinely clean family room creates a quiet sense of well-being that extends into every moment spent inside it. Spring cleaning your family room is not a single dramatic gesture. It is an act of care for the people who fill that space with their lives every day, and for yourself. Every surface you clean today carries the daily evidence of a life fully lived in that room. The meals, the conversations, the tired evenings and energetic mornings. Cleaning it thoroughly is not erasing that life. It is honoring it. It is saying that this space and the people in it deserve the best environment you can create for them. If this gave you the motivation to finally do that spring clean today, hit the like button right now. It genuinely helps this channel reach more families who deserve a cleaner, healthier home. Subscribe to The Big Sweep and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video like this one. Share it with someone whose family room is ready for its reset. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. See you in the next one.